Okay, Erin, here we go. Here is my map. I am the bronze color. Clark is the pen color. So I am going to start Clark at about 2.5 feet from the start gate. I'll tell him to stay. I will lead out about halfway. Or maybe between, I think on the map it shows here that I'm like 3/4 of the way up between 1 and 2. So maybe I'll do that. I've got my feet pointed to number 3 jump, and my head is over my shoulder. Then I'm going to bring my arm out to my hip height, my right arm, and give him a call and say ready. All right. So I'm not going to start moving until he is over, or here's where I'm confused. I could start moving with him when he goes over 2, which I can do, or just start. Yeah, I think I'll do that. He'll go over 2. I'll move with him. My feet now are turned directly at 3, and I'm coming up between, what is that grid? I think about 50 and, yeah, about almost in the box grid at 50. I'm turning with my right hand. I printed this out, but now I'm changing what I'm saying. My directions, that is. So this might help me. So here, I'm right here, almost to the line 50. And I've got my right hand out. I'm on his left hand side. It's only hip height. And then before he goes over, or maybe when he lands, because there's a lot of space between 3 and 4, as he's in the air, I'm going to say switch out, and I'm going to do a blind cross so that he can see my arm switching. And maybe I should say it even before he gets there. I'll say switch out, and then he'll land and go. I will do a blind cross behind him, and then we will go together. And I'm going to do this pinwheel moving up here and just having my left arm at the hip height now, and guiding him along, not too close, giving him space, and then he'll come over 8. And then we'll go parallel pretty much, not too close, 9, and then keeping that. Now I'm in his inner path, and then but I've got my left hand out still at hip height, and right about here I'm going to say go tunnel. And once he's in the tunnel, I'm going to say Clark, come. And then I'm going to be here for him with that arm out, and then guiding him over 11, and then paralleling him with 12 down to 13, and big party because we did a good job. Okay, so now I'm going to bring you over here. So if you want to look at this and freeze frame it, I typed it out. Those are my directions. Signing off.